sa iba natin mga racer na medyo nag-struggle pa si White Mercedes-Benz Lewis Hamilton na napunta sa 10th place. Top 3 combination. It's 1, 2, and 10. Congratulations!
Congratulations to all the lucky winners, especially sa lahat na nag-buy kay RBF. We got the time zone. We want to congratulate pa rin sa inyo because you tried.
Yes, dito kung di nyo naranasan sa kanya ang second chance.
Place your bets.
Second chance. Unlimited second chance.
Unlimited, kahit magkamali ka, papatawarin ka namin.
Yes, kaya naman sa mga hindi naranasan ipaglaban dyan, mag-bet na kayo kagad dito sa mga racers natin dahil sigurado ipaglalaban nila kayo hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan.
Bets closed.
Yes, you're right on that, partner. So there you go, 10 racers is already perfectly lined up on the starting gate and up down to that C1. We have Alfa Romeo pinangunahan. No, it's Red Bull. Oh, side step for Alfa. It's Blue Alpine. Right now we have MoneyGram crossover. However, there's a lot of switching happening down to the finish.
Yes, Aston Martin Fernando Alonso, that was a nice move. Iniwanan niya, use that shortcut para makalayo kay RBF1 and Orange McLaren. Papunta rito sa ating garage zone. Sinubukan niyang i-take down doon yung siyam na racers. Bakit ng Skyline? Nagtagumpay si Aston Martin. Kaya lang na naglag siya doon at wala sa kanyang sumalo. Nauna siya ni RBF1. Natawlan naman si Blue Alpine and White Mercedes-Benz.
Let's go, everyone!
Let's
the
go!
second lap, and back! Hooray! RBF1 right now on the deadly spinning wheel. He used that 1,000 watts speed from that booster, followed by Aston Martin. A little bit struggle on that barrier. However, we have RBF1 down to the double B.
Yes, RBF1, the smallest, the youngest, got the first spot. At bakit si Aston Martin sure katabi nga trouble dito sa ating center island si RBF1. Nauna siya ni Orange McLaren and Aston Martin. That was a nice attack. Pinakitaan tayo ng vanishing overdrive coming from the Aston Martin Fernando Alonso para kunin ang first place at the second place Orange McLaren and third place RBF1.
And there you go on the 10th place. We have Red Ferrari winning combination. We have 9, 5, and 1.
Congratulations players and enjoy your big winnings. Medyo nag-sarado doon si Red Ferrari and Aston Martin.
Place your bets.